Hey, so today we're out in the customer's yard. Look at this. It's beautiful moss. It's everywhere. This is actually a whole yard. It's the whole side of this guy's yard is covered in moss. And so people always call me and they go, hey, what do I do with the moss? Well, you got two choices with the moss. One, you can let it grow, and eventually, like this person, it's eventually taken over. They had a client up in Macon a number of years ago, and their whole backyard was moss, and all we did was just kind of blow it off. But moss is created for two reasons. One is it's a pH is too high and it's out of whack, and because of the moisture. So if you have moss in your yard, how do you get rid of it? Well, one of the ways you can get rid of it is by changing the pH of the soil. What I recommend you do is pull a soil sample, get it sent off to the University of Georgia. They'll give you an analysis of that particular soil. Then it'll tell us, hey, you got too much of this or you need more of this, and then you will make those applications. Once you make those applications, it changes the pH of the soil. Then you can come in and try to plant grass. Unfortunately, this client wouldn't be even able to grow grass in this area because there are 3 massive oak trees right here behind me, and it would be too shady. The best option for this client is leave the moss. Let it grow. Let it fill in. It looks good. It's easy to maintain. Just blow it off and clean it up. But if the moss bothers you, there are some options. So if you need some help with that moss and it's causing you some problems, then let us know. We'd be more than happy to get one of our guys that are turf specialists out, take a look at it for you.